Now, I want to take years laser procedure, which is the new big thing in Hollywood at the moment that promises in one treatment and just 20 minutes to leave you with younger, better looking skin. Here's how it went. I'm here at the Ailesbury clinic to find out about a called ActiveFx. It promises to leave your skin looking years younger in a procedure that takes only 20 minutes. So Patrick, tell me about this ActiveFx.
The new technologies have meant that we can take the old laser and now make it incredibly safe and give us all the benefits that we had before in terms of losing the wrinkles. And the one thing that everybody loves about this is the effects of it last for up to about 5 years. And when you get it done, it technically can continue healing for 3 to 6 months after you get it done. So your skin just gets better and better. And patients like it as well because of the fact that it's their own skin that's doing this. So if we sort of punch a little hole in the skin, the dermis is exposed again to the outside, new collagen starts to form inside. But the beauty of it this time around is the fact that we're leaving skin bridges in between. This means that the patient, instead of taking 4 weeks to heal or 5 weeks, can now heal in 4 or 5 days. And secondly, what better bandage could you have if you were to sort of look down from above than your own skin, you know, sort of protecting everything. And again, we have to take into account we're removing a little bit of skin, so infection can get in, sunlight can get in, so there's a period afterwards, probably for about as long as 2 or 3 months, that we may have to sort of protect ourselves against the sun in terms of using suntan factors.
And tell me, like, the benefits. Tell me the way your skin will look after this treatment.
For the first 4 or 5 days, obviously going to be very red, and during that period you have to put on Vaseline. And Vaseline, it's simple, it's cheap, it's antiseptic, it'll prevent any infection getting in. But the 5th day you can start wearing makeup, and then over the next 2 to 3 weeks you notice that your skin goes from a sort of a red back to a sort of pinky colour, and as a consequence then new collagen begins to grow. So when new collagen grows, we get 2 effects. The first thing is that whenever we use the machine itself, we can see the skin tightening. So loose skin, jowls, loose skin around the eyes, and particularly people that have fat pads, these things all tighten up immediately.
Patrick, can you tell me the price of this procedure?
This treatment is €1,500 for a full face.
Without naming names or anything like that, what's big in the procedure world for celebrities at the moment?
Some of the basic things are popular, you know, just like dermal fillers and Botox, but for some reason among celebrities that have had very tight facelifts, I've had to come here late at night with some of the staff to use a little technique that we've perfected of putting some Botox underneath the eye so that it drops it back down again. So it's almost using one of the side effects of Botox that most people don't want for people that have been pulled too tight. And that is all from Expose for the minute, but we're back in just over an hour and a half with our very first Friday night special show.